The quietest person in the room is usually the one running it, steering the dynamic without even raising their voice. While everyone else is loudly competing for attention, burning social energy, and begging for validation, the silent observer is doing something far more powerful. They are gathering valuable intelligence. They are not shy, socially awkward, or lacking confidence, despite what others might think. Instead, they are executing a brilliant long term psychological strategy. They are mapping out your deep seated weaknesses, your hidden insecurities, and your true motivations without saying a single word. Speech is a massive energy draining distraction that leaves people highly vulnerable. While you talk, your brain is entirely busy composing thoughts, filtering information, trying to look smart, and performing for an audience. Quiet people completely bypass this performative exhaustion. They watch your unconscious micro expressions, note who you look at when you laugh, and track your subtle shifts in posture. By staying completely silent, they trigger an uncomfortable psychological reflex deep inside you. Humans absolutely hate empty silence. You will literally blurt out your deepest secrets, overshare your plans, and hand over your power just to fill the quiet void they create. But here is the real twist that most people completely miss. Their silence isn't a passive, submissive trait at all. It is a highly active, aggressive filter designed to sort out who is useful and who is a liability. Quiet observers are hyper selective about who they trust, who they associate with, and what they reveal. They let you believe they are passive, weak, or boring, so you lower your guard and show your true colors. While you think they are just background noise, they are accurately predicting your next three moves in real time. They know exactly who you are, what you desire, and how you fail before you even finish your sentence. You can harness this silent superpower starting right now in your daily life. Practice the 3-second delay rule in your very next conversation with a coworker, friend, or stranger. When someone finishes speaking, count to 3 completely in your head before responding. You will instantly see people get nervous, start sweating, and reveal their true intentions or lie to cover up the gap. It gives you total control of the room without ever raising your voice or fighting for attention. Want to know how master manipulators use this exact silence to control your emotions, manipulate your choices, and steer conversations? Click on this next video right now to learn the dark psychology of conversational control and master the art of silence.